Hey friends, I'm Stacy, and we are embarking on a new adventure, backpacking. So we have been getting all kinds of different backpacking equipment and trying to figure out what works best for us. In this video, we're going to show you what mattress we think is the best. We don't know yet because we've got to try 3 different mattresses to see which one we like best. We would like to sleep as comfortably as possible.
The Nemo Tensor Extreme Conditions mattress. This has an R value of like 9 point something, and it's supposed to be a very, very warm mattress.
All right, so one mattress in.
So one of the mattresses we are going to try is the Thermarest Trail Pro Max, which is a self-inflating mattress.
Now the reason we chose this one is because it has kind of a memory foamish feel to it, and the review said that it is really, really comfortable and worth the extra weight. One of the things we're having to try to really be careful of is how heavy these mattresses are, because our packs are really heavy already and we're not used to carrying packs at all. Okay, it's time to try the Thermarest mattress. So we're gonna put the same pads down again. Now this one is sort of self-inflating. All right, so we're gonna leave these for a few minutes, a little bit, while we go get some other stuff taken care of and see how much they self-inflate. This one is working pretty good. Okay, so these have blown up a little bit. Now we're going to blow them the rest of the way up with this little blower. So the second, or actually the third mattress we're gonna try out is the Big Agnes, which is a double mattress. So that's what we're trying tonight. So we have officially now tried out all 3 mattresses: the Thermarest Trail Pro Max,
The Nemo Tensor Extreme Conditions,
and
good old Big Agnes double wide trailer.
it's called the Rapid SL Tent Floor Pad. So we've tried out all 3, and now we're ready to talk about them and have a real conversation about what we liked, what we didn't like, and all of that in between. We're going to talk about temperature and how they did with regards to temperature, setup, comfort level, cost, weight, size, and we'll end with which one we landed on. So,
Literally landed on.
So let's talk about temperature first.
Okay, so temperature. The big winner in this category is the Nemo Tensor. And the nice thing is about this one is it's got a R value of like 8.5, which is really, really good.
But the other ones, the Thermarest has a 4.4, the Big Agnes has an R value of 4.8. So all 3 of them are designed to keep you warm in all 3 seasons. I didn't notice a difference between any one of them. They all seemed warm to me.
And we camped in 40 degrees.
So now let's talk about setup. You saw us set up all 3 of them, and I think that they all 3 set up fairly easy. If I were to say one that set up the easiest, I would say, we'll see if you would agree, the Thermarest. And that's because it's self-inflating. So you lay it in there, and while you're doing other things, it inflates, not all the way, but it inflates a good bit of the way on its own.
Yeah, and you can tell based on the size of it, it's full of like a foam type padding. So when you open the valve, that foam starts to expand, bringing in the air. So it gets to a certain point on its own.
And also, I would say with this one as well, when you're setting it up, the one thing that is not a category for us, but I think that is an advantage with the Thermarest is that if you did get a hole in it and you didn't have something to fix it, you still have some padding in there, so you're not going to be laying flat on the ground.
Yep.
But since you talked about size, let's do size next.
Okay.
Let's just hold these up.
All right, so
In your pack.
yeah, in
You
your
look at
pack.
size. Obviously, the size winner to me is the Big Agnes.
And the reason for that is
Yeah, go ahead.
it's a double.
Right. So for us, we're comparing two of these or this one right here.
Or two of these.
So for us, the Big Agnes was the winner with size. So let's talk about weight. If you look at the weight, let's talk about how much each one weighs.
Okay. So, we should have wrote all these things down. This is 40 ounces or 1,160 grams.
All right, so let's go with the 40.
So,
Let's just go with the
so
ounces.
if you grew up in the 1980s and you drank 40 ounces, this is like carrying around a 40 ouncer with you
So
without the brown bag.
the Big Agnes is 43 ounces.
Okay.
Which is interesting because, yeah, this is definitely the heaviest. The Thermarest is the heaviest.
No, this is heaviest. 43. This is 40.
Oh, I guess I'm thinking of two of these.
Oh yeah, two of those. Yes.
So, but 43 ounces.
Yes. Because you got to remember, we're going from 2 to 1.
And then the Nemo Tensor weighs 22 ounces. So it is definitely the lightest. But again, if you're comparing it with having two mattresses,
then it's 44. So this is still the lightest when you count that you only have to have one of these, and since two. And if you think about size, yes, this is the most compact. But if you have two, it's still bigger than the one double.
and we are always going to camp together, so we always have to think about it in terms of having two of those things. So the next thing we're going to talk about is sound, and that meaning like when you're laying on that mattress, how much noise does it make when you turn and flip and flop? Because I do flip and flop quite a bit.
Yeah, I call it a tornado. I've never met a sheet she didn't wrap up and strangle.
So sound is important to me, and I think, let's see if we agree on this and say it on the count of three. The noisiest one was 1, 2, 3, Nemo. It made a lot of crinkling
There's a little
sound.
crispiness to it, and you know, it's not as bad as some of the other Nemo mattresses that are even more crispy. It's a little less, it's a little more, a little better in the sound category. But again, if noises bug you, if you have stimulation issues, that's probably going to bug you a little bit.
And if we're talking about the quietest one, 1, 2, 3, Thermarest.
Now the Thermarest, the reason it's the quietest, it's got like almost like a felt type covering over the top of it, and of course they're all noisier than your own mattress in your bed.
But I would say the Thermarest was pretty comparable as far as quietness. Your sleeping bag didn't slide off of it at all. It stayed the best on the Thermarest because of the way that the top is for the Thermarest.
Yep, so very grippy, very nice.
So now we're going to talk about comfort level. And so overall comfort level, 1, 2, 3, Thermarest.
Big Agnes.
I think the Thermarest in general, if you're talking about comfort level, the Thermarest is very comfortable, but when we're talking about two of us sleeping,
if I'm
that makes
sleeping
a difference.
individually,
Thermarest.
Thermarest. But actually, when we're both on the Nemo,
Nemo?
I'm sorry, when we're
egg?
both on the Big Agnes, it's actually very, very comfortable.
Absolutely.
Because if you were on this individually, it might not be as comfortable.
I think it still would be pretty comfortable.
Yeah, but
honestly.
when you both get on it kind of helps even it out even a little bit more.
It's also because like we like to be able to snuggle and be like close to each other.
around.
So the fact that we had two separate mattresses and like we were like falling in the crack, or like also the mattresses are only 25 inches wide, so like my arms were always falling off.
Yeah.
But with the Big Agnes together and the way it tapers, it starts out 50 inches at the top, 40 inches at the bottom. We're able to snuggle, and then we have like I feel like we have plenty of room.
And
My
you don't feel like your arms
never fell off.
It never fell off. Yeah, and with the other one, you felt like you were always, one arm was always off, depending. And I'm a side sleeper, or I sleep on my face a lot of times, and that can be a challenge. But very impressed. I was not expecting much out of old Big Agnes here.
We almost like thought maybe we won't even try that one.
Wow, but we're glad we did. So if you're a couple and you're looking to be able to snuggle, and the cool thing is too is if you get too warm, it's actually big enough you can still kind of roll away from each other.
Yeah.
And you're good to go.
And
now,
also because we have Coda, our dog who's with us too, that's really nice because it keeps it a little more compact inside the tent, which gives us a little more room for Coda.
So a little wider at the head, but towards the foot, so he can go down at the foot. And when we did do this, we actually each had our own sleeping bag. So and it was still comfortable even with each of us having our own sleeping bag, but we've actually ordered a quilt.
So now we're going to talk about cost. The cost for the Big Agnes, I'm going to have to look these up because I want to make sure I tell you the exact cost.
I do know for the Nemo Tensor, for the long and wide, the one that I got, which this one is, I don't know if this is the long and wide one or not, but the long and wide was $299 and the regular was $269.
Okay.
So that was the cost on those.
The cost on the Big Agnes was $339. The cost for the Thermarest was $190 for the large and $180 for the regular wide. So overall, the Big Agnes is actually the least expensive of all of them because we only have to have one again.
Yeah. So it's kind of interesting how it's individually more expensive, but it's actually cheaper overall because you don't have to have two of them.
So our pick, the one that we are going to land on, literally,
Yes.
is 1, 2, 3. Big Agnes.
Yes.
Big Agnes wins the mattress contest if it is one for us. And honestly, we would not have known it had we not tried them all out.
Yes.
So I can't say that there is a bad one out of all of them.
No.
There's not. They're all good.
Yeah.
But this one for us was the best.
So if you're a couple and you're having difficulty choosing something, I would definitely say, try a Big Agnes, and because it may work out well for you. We really felt like it worked out way better for us.
I love it, and I wasn't a tenter.
No.
I guess now I am. Get out there, have an adventure, and be free. See you in the next adventure.